Christopher mo ye wo baby wo ho a obusofo esen ni kunu obusofo esen odi oboma sofo esen ni kunu hwe o yes a course 90 you respect your pastor more than your husband you are doing a course 90 work. Operation Fix Your Worship live. Live on time with MOC. My name is Danny Danso, the worship missionary, speaking to you from the studios of Asida Radio on YouTube. Make sure you press the notification button, you subscribe, and then whenever I come on board, you hook in like that. Send your comments, all right? Send your comments. Make sure say the be out join you true bibi ube me bell ne wo hono so na afi enu so tumi aka wo na de bia wo tumi ababe ka me ho ne edisa adwuma we meni abre ese as a worship missionary to the nations by the grace of God to the nations. What is here? And intino meni abre se metumi ho asi ho abo nipa ama nipa etumi nya nsachra na omotumi abo abrabo a ebetumi di mpuntu aba ama nipa nyina ho atono. Let me repeat this one. This program that I'm doing is because of you, individual lives, you. Number 2 is because of family life. Family life. And so as we go on, I'll be talking about family worship. I'll be talking about a lot of things. And your life will never be the same. Your life will never be the same. If you will change, and I will change, the family will change. If the family is better and the family is good and excellent, the society will change. It means that say yempatem ni bebi ayete no ye betumi amehwa ye kama ye krabehwa je se wo sesa na me so mesesa na se wo sesa na mesesa ye busua besesa na se ye busua ne sesa ansana yempatem society no sasa hwe. Number 4, I am doing this because of the nations. So 1, the individual life, 2, the family life, 3, the societal life, and then 4, the national life. And it's not about religion. No. It's about you. It's about the family. It's about the society. It's about the nation. Operation Fix Your Worship Life. Because I have come to a level to know and understand as a worship missionary that worship is your lifestyle. Worship is everything. And yes, I'm coming to end on something I did on episode 4. I'm coming to on this episode 5. I'm starting from a point. And then I was talking about who receives your worship. And I'm a 6 possible worship recipients. Nene me become bibi kakra de awie ho. Na me de abowura baby foforo. Ha enne oja Operation Fix Your Worship Life. Operation Fix Your Worship Life. And na me bisa se wo yo bi a ni owo abra bom ye nipa a oji osori efi wo ha. Tie mi ye pa. We hu badwiriwu. Se ni owo abra bom ye nipa oji osori free wa me bubo nipa bidi men of prominence public figures enebeye hu enebe bi ba ma adwim enkofobu ya abrabo mo moji osori we ya abrabo nebeye hu se hwe unim se so bi be ye star anase celebrity was asase a sa nipa no oji osori ebi o ha mo sum Shatawale obi sum Stone Boy obi sum Sarkodie obi sum Jay-Z dano kra no Beyonce reply me tweet Beyonce reply me tweet da esa newe ya na me trotro satan na me nhia anana yaw for Asida Radio intina me trotro Twitter me trotro ne megu osa na Beyonce reply back Beyonce krama for sum no and the Beyonce at the church of Beyonce. Oji sorry. Uti Ghana ha. Uti Shatawale. When you kura aje say Beyonce no abaye nyum. Bompa na pewe bifa o shata. Shata bompa na pewe bifa. Esan say ni pako no baye nyum no. Ono no. Amanfo sum no. Yo. E na wo so afia se aje sorry no shata. Tobo ase. Ene me hitini e mabi. Minim so mbe sore me so enso mfa me ho ezan se menya me adwuma na me ye no tie biye pa nipa bi wo abrabo mo moji osore ma me mbo wura sorry asori for mo ho e Christopher mo ho ye wo ba bi wo ho a obusofo esen ni kunu Obusafo, esin or the obuman sofo, esin nukunu. She, oh yes, sir, a cost 90. You respect your pastor more than your husband. You are doing a cost 90 work. You give worship to your pastor. You don't want to worship your husband. How can the marriage work? You see why the marriage is not working? Operation Fix Your Worship Life. Nanaya, I am on fire today. Operation Fix Your Worship Life. If you can fix your worship life as a lady, you get a man to marry. You get a good man to marry. That's why I'm serious about this issue, this program. Change your life. Change it. You have a boyfriend, you have a fiancé, but you don't give the maximum respect to that guy. And you want to give a maximum respect to the pastor. You will lose that boy. You will lose that boy. If you lose that boy, don't go and tell me that it's a demon. No, it's not a demon, it's you yourself. It is you yourself. I'm telling you now. I'm telling you now. You are making me to speak like a Nigerian right now. And then I'll enter into Kenya now and speak to you like a Kenyan. Or I'll enter into India and speak to you like an Indian now. I know you are listening to me. If you can fix your worship life properly, if you can put things in order and align yourself, you will not lose some things, some opportunities, some platforms will not skip you. Because you are putting your life in order. What's in American I say? There are some pastors who are receiving worship. Episode 5. Sorry them. Ko TV so na hwe asofo ni bi o ha omokanya omoteso asori dem ho no aso your hene oje worship and no mbebo mi wa ha nso me mfa ho sofo konya oteso asori dem no aso your hene ohen kese e na oteso e na oje osori. Pastors, I'm speaking to you as somebody who has been in ministry for a long time, a worship missionary to the nations of the world. Listen to me. Please stop receiving worship from people. Stop receiving worship from men, because it is not for you. It is not for you. We are doing all these things and it is bringing havoc in society and nations and bringing down families, collapsing families. Hey! Ha! Bebre kwa sorry them omu kosum osofo omu sum nyankopon. Bebre kwa sorry them kosum sofo omu sum nyankopon. I put it to you that you go to church, you serve, you worship the pastor, you don't worship God. You don't worship it. Check your life. Operation Fix Your Worship Life. Nana, some people even go to concerts, worship concerts. If Joe Metal is having a worship concert, you are going to that concert all because it's Joe Metal. It's not Jesus. It's not the Lord God you want to go and serve. You are going there because of Joe. Joe, mi maudie, mi amadam fu Joe, mi maudie Joe Metal, maudie why? A man for be person musumu, but ye chem, a moment for my member, say, Wabrabo. Aha, a branch be etnasi, na friend King Herod. Or sorry do level bia or Dani or we Dani in Samai. And it's all musicians, please be careful. Don't allow anybody to worship you. Don't allow all celebrities. Listen, I'm not speaking like I'm speaking like somebody who is at that level now. As an actor, as a musician, and as a missionary. Oh Charlie, what haven't I seen? Where haven't I been? Oh. And by the grace of God, I have people in all the continents of the world. I'm engaging with a lot of people in all the continents of the world. I'm telling you. And my worship missions is going almost everywhere. So I know what I'm talking about. Please, we are superstars and one. Run away from those who are worshiping you. Run away. Run away. Because you are not supposed to receive worship. You are a mere man. You are a mortal man. You are not supposed to receive worship. Run away from those who want to give you glory. Run away from them. And those ladies and women who go to church and worship pastors, be careful. You are not going to church to worship the pastor. You are going there to worship God. So before you come to church, respect your man. Respect your husband. Respect your before you come to church. Oh, friend, ya wo ye nyame ni beso. Oh, boakra, wetiti. Uyo bia usua adwuma, apprentice, umbu master. O fa ne nyehye. Wakota so dem se okobom paye. Oko mock pow, oko papau, oko ho enya adwuma. Enya adwuma because worship life no, you are not fixing it. Fix your worship life. Fix your worship life. Asofo bebre. All catch up, sorry, must menye we, and so I don't know where. Wo ko baby ni oba bia kwa wutu awi aba be jina ka che obi jawa sem kra na pe baby fa. Fix your worship life. I'm talking to you right now. Talking to you right now. Fix your worship life. O malam o comfort. Fix your worship life. Comfort. Fix your worship life. Nana grada wa fixing it there. O yere no kakra mama Pat nya me nshiraw kakra ka bia be fine why or the friend Mama Pat, your friend Nana Grada. I confirm, fix your worship life. More fix it. Malams, fix your worship life. Pastors, fix your worship life. Commoner, fix your worship life. Teachers, doctors, everybody. Yeah, man Penny. Yeah, man Penny. I salute Nana do Dankwa. I salute you. All the former presidents, I salute all of you, except those who have died and gone. I salute all of you. And by the grace of God, Nyamia Dumunti Munim se minimwa yejuma. Minimum nante. I'm penny for Ghana for a chum in a minimum in Ayajuma. Mr. Tiffy, your man penny kufoso, Menini Juma Kakra. Kumasi, when it comes to Kumasi, about regional programs, idea and Nasa Summa presidents near the day, regional programs, the Yamada men I handle. And to me, no money Ayajuma. Apart from my man penny kufor, many J. Mills, the late. Na ye kra me na me ye e wa santemam ha aha me na ana ayedwuma ansa na owuo ansa na ye de ba na na domunya me no munya ayedwuma mahama me no munya ayedwuma tiam ye pa enu nti no I'm speaking to all kinds of people. Fix your worship life so that the society will be better, so that the family will be better, so that the nation will be better. Oh, hear me. Parliamentarians, all ministers, even my brother-in-law is a minister. And so listen to me. My brother-in-law is a parliamentarian, and I'm speaking to all of you. Please, if we want the nation to be better, we need to fix our individual lives. Fix our individual worship lives. If you want the nation and the society to be better, try your personal worship life. Esan say, so what fix your worship life pa? Undi o mine sika o. O fa on san ka o mine sika. Na make out man say, aha. Who your sofo, o fa on san ka sorry sika o. Aha, sana de na ko. Who your be a what you fix your personal worship life ah. On go fa etuo say o koye am robbery. What you say? And no nka wonye o. Who your be a fix your personal worship life ah. Nka ko gina golden tulip say ko ba shawo. On go gina ho nya sa. Say o fix your worship life. If you can fix your personal worship life, there are some things you will not do. There are some things you will not never do. There are some words will never come out of your mouth. You will not even fight publicly. Operation Fix Your Worship Life. Fix your worship life. Fix your worship life, because that is the antidote to good society, good families, and good nations. We can have a better place to stay. We can have a better society, a better nation. I'm speaking to all kinds of people, because by the grace of God, God has brought me in contact with all men, from the level of presidency down to the Kayayu. Oh yes, because on my 40th birthday, I went out to the Kejetia and I'm quiet and I'm and my Kayayu for Echichomuniama, Minomudin Comonia, the idea. It's by Nyamia Dumdia. Free Kayaye to president. Minobia is our so. Oh, Nana, Metiswana, sorry, Otum4 or say to 2. Yamiadum, Yamade Maba when him in Prebe Bebre. Nuntino, Mabaso Abe Juma, I will Menchianso Pain. 10th and 15th anniversary. Now make our planning committee home. It means that by the grace of God, I speak to a lot of people. I've come in contact with all kinds of people. It means Remunina. Say, oh, your hinny, ewa sasi so. Ewa, baby, be our udimu hibia. Say, ya chim, say, ye fanti, say, ye, asanti, baby, obia. Say, what fix your worship life? On ton say, bako manipa miensa, and as in the penum. One yes, ada. By example, say, won't fix your worship life. So, hinny, inti. I him from kitty amushe baby amutunton sase bako di mani pa be do of worship life na call from enkoye inti na we yesa say no to me koye a untumi yesa and na medi nkanka no. If you're able to fix your worship life, there are some things you will never do. I'm speaking to all kinds of people. Doctor, what fix your worship life? Anka abortion wonye. Oh, in Kanabi ha kunima mi wonye bi. Kunima mi wonye bi. Nurse, munyesa, unkoton biba, konfanoche, oma tunton krofoma, ema bi, eba news nyinemu, because their personal worship lives were not aligned. I am speaking to all kinds of people. Fix your worship life so that the society will be better for us, so that the families will be better, so that the nation will be better. It depends on your individual worship life. Operation Fix Your Worship Life. I am coming like a tender. I am coming like a bulldozer, and I'm affecting all kinds of people. I'm affecting all levels of life. Why should dear Mabubandia? Manya madwimbo se mbebodi we nyina, because nipa bebere humi na menenam ho a omofrese akwa we de Danny Danso Charlie. Now I've given you levels by the grace of God. Enyama hoden eye nyame adom. And I'm do some pempenso ni nyina. And so still ano meye boko na menam ho am to me fam trotro fam taxi. Me srewa uhumi abontia e ma me say hey brana face here. Just leave it here. All right? By the grace of God we are here. And unti me di wenso si ha. Ni anam pesa me kan wasem gwa mentimi anka. Nemu ni ode me betina ha no. Wakasa gumasum ema makasa. Operation Fix Your Worship Life. This is Time with MOC. My name is Danny Danso, your host, the worship missionary on Asida Radio on YouTube. Subscribe, press the notification button, and then you join me whenever I hook in. May your life be better. Much love. Fix your worship life.